Hello budding artists and creative minds. Welcome to my channel Watching You. Today, I'll be drawing and guiding you through the character known as the Lamb from Cult of the Lamb. The Lamb is the main protagonist and one of the two playable characters in Cult of the Lamb. This small sheep, adorned with soft white wool and a dark gray face, stands out with its tiny red horns and large black eyes, which feature horizontal pupils. Atop its head rests the red crown, an imposing object of power, black with pointed prongs and a crimson eye at its center. Around the lamb's neck hangs a black collar, from which dangles a golden bell. Initially, the lamb dons a striking red cape known as its fleece, though this can be transformed into other colors such as gold, green, and purple as the player progresses. Drawing inspiration from the symbolism of lambs in religious contexts, the lamb begins as an innocent, powerless creature, destined to be sacrificed to a dark and violent deity. However, everything changes upon receiving the red crown. This powerful artifact resurrects the lamb, bestowing new abilities with the requirement of becoming a cult leader. With the red crown's power, the player faces a critical choice. Will the lamb emerge as a benevolent shepherd, guiding and protecting its followers, or as a malevolent exploiter, using the congregation solely for personal gain? At the game's outset, the lamb is bound in chains, wearing the same robes as the unindoctrinated followers, signifying its initial helplessness. Yet, the potential for transformation lies ahead, waiting to be shaped by the player's decisions. The full extent of the lamb's abilities remains a mystery until after its sacrificial moment and subsequent revival. Once resurrected, the player discovers that, with the aid of the One Who Waits, the lamb possesses increased health and durability, allowing it to endure challenging battles, though defeat is still a possibility. If the lamb falls, it can be resurrected with only minor penalties to faith and collected resources. One of the lamb's standout traits is its remarkable melee combat proficiency. Armed with various weapons, the lamb can take down formidable monsters alone, showcasing impressive strength and skill. While the lamb does not engage in distinct dialogue, communicating only through a bleat activated by a dedicated button, it exhibits a unique charisma. This allows it to recruit numerous followers to its cult and sway the opinions of dissenters. Interestingly, in the teaser for Cult of the Lamb, the first verse, the lamb is depicted speaking, suggesting a potential for dialogue that might not appear in the main game. This raises questions about the nature of the lamb's voice and its role within the story, leaving players to wonder how this element might evolve in the future. Throughout their journey, the lamb can discover tarot cards that enhance abilities or upgrade existing traits. These cards fall into two categories and are found during perilous crusades. When the lamb encounters Clawneck during these missions, they are presented with a choice between two cards, each granting temporary powers that last only for the duration of that particular crusade. Additionally, other tarot cards can be uncovered in various ways, sometimes in chests that appear after defeating enemies in battle rooms, in the final room of each level, or simply lying on the ground in enemy-free areas. To further expand the selection of tarot cards, players can purchase new ones from merchants scattered across the map or by completing specific objectives throughout the game. I hope you liked this video. See you in the next video. Bye for now.